Becca, and so let me just update you on what we did this morning. It is currently Tuesday, which is Becca's birthday today. Happy birthday, Becca! And so this morning I had class at 7, and then I had volleyball at 9:30ish, and then me and Kalina got food. We got Alfredo pasta. What kind of pasta did we get? Penne. Penne. She says that funny. We got penne pasta and with Alfredo sauce. And then this guy, he picked us up from school. And then we went to Brandy, Melville, and we got some clothes because budget. We're on a $10 budget. And yeah, now we're gonna head home. And we should give them a little haul of what we got. Okay. Okay. Well, not yet. Oh, okay. Alright. Hey guys, so we're gonna show you what we got from Brandy. And I'll go first. So, I got this really cute top. It has red and white stripes on it. And yeah, I just thought it was really cute. Okay, whatever, I'll just go. And then I got like something similar, of course. And it's this blue jacket. It's kind of like cropped, and it has white stripes on it. What'd you get?
Oh, I thought you were gonna
Finish.
I got this red tank top.
Okay. And then I got this cute tank top. It's kind of like a stretchy material. And I can't tell if it's blue or white or red, black and white. But yeah. I was looking for this in the whole store. Oh my gosh.
I got this like plain t-shirt. I've been wanting like, I don't know, something plain.
And then I got another tank top. And it has like a bunch of different colors on it.
It's like a rainbow.
Huh?
We all have that like same design.
Yeah. And yeah.
And then sleeve. I got these shorts. Alright.
And the last thing I got was this red and white tank top. Because it's like hot here. But then it's going to be cold, so. Whatever. So, yeah. Now, we're going to be off to practice. Well, she's going to practice. I don't want you to. That's my girlfriend. I know. Oh my God, it's your birthday! Get him! Get him! No! You got him! Oh. Get him! Get him! Count them. 1, 2. Yes. I see you. Say cheese. Cheese. No, you have to look this way. Say cheese. Say hi. Hi.
He wants to see
Ready?
right.
Say cheese.
Blow it.
Ready?
Blow it. Oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yay. It is Wednesday, and I didn't vlog all day because
I was busy sleeping.
yes, what she said. And I had class this morning, but now I'm on my way to Hula, and this is my Tahitian day. So first first I'm going to be teaching the kids, and then I'm going to do my own practice. I'm also getting ready for a competition that is actually this Sunday. It's Sunday, but the competition starts on Saturday. But I am competing Sunday, so I'm probably gonna vlog that. I don't know if I'm gonna do a separate vlog, or I probably won't. But yeah, so I'm probably going to vlog after practice. How was your day, Mom? Good. What'd you do?
Jacqueline came today.
Ooh. So my mom is at a new work company. So she moved her old companies. Mom, what do you do?
I'm an escrow
She's like an escrow assistant. So she actually moved to the company by herself first. So she was all by herself, and then this week one of her other coworkers came, and then another coworker came. So now it's like the three of them that are there. And yeah. So it was a good day?
Good day.
Great. Comment down below where you work, what you do, and yeah. Timo! Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. The vlog? Vlog.
Vlog. The V. You're gonna look at my vlog? My new vlog. Please like and subscribe. Let's see. Is it Melrose? Yeah. Is it, oh.
Hi, Melina.
Hello.
Oh,
Everyone.
I found it. 23 subscribers.
Thank
I
you.
have 4.
So right now I am going to Boba, and we just got finished with practice. So yeah. And then there's the squad.
Hi, it's me, Melrose, number 1.
So this is where we go for Wednesday night. Burrito Bob.
You're such a dingus.
Thanks, girlfriend.
Hey everybody, this is my roast vlog. Like, that'd be so great.
We can eat Jersey Shore.
I have a grenade horn, so.
A grenade horn! Yeah!
I've dressed up as Snoopy before.
Oh my god.
A couple times. No.
We gotta do.
Is it on? Oh. So it is Thursday, and it's 12:56. Let's see what I did this morning. This morning I had volleyball practice, and you'll see a clip right now. Oh yeah, that I filmed. It's probably just in the volleyball court. And then I went to go meet Danielle, and I met her. Then she took me home because I forgot my towel. So I went home, and then we went to her house, and then we met up with Cherie and Carissa. So right now we're at Walmart, and we forgot to get ice, and they're grabbing ice right now, and we're going to head to the beach because we need to get dark, girl. So we just got a ton of snacks. Here, I'll show you. So we got some Coke, we got some water. There's no soda. What the heck? And then we got some Gatorade. Gatorade. We just got Gatorade.
Oh, look
That's
at
it.
these beautiful creatures.
Oh, hey, they got the ice.
Look, because Steve was really trying
To
just use $1. So we're trying to find all our quarters and whatever. We didn't make it still.
Oh,
So I
yeah.
said use my $5.
So then, we got some snacks. We got some chips. We pretty much just got chips. That's pretty much all we got.
Does that not attach to anything? You're gonna lose that, bro. You should get a little thingy that it like hangs on.
Hi, Cher.
Melita.
I'm gonna tell everybody that. Like, that bitch in the hair thing. Oh shit, I fucked up. I got sand in your wagon.
Oh
Can you
no.
bleep that out?
There's sand in my wagon.
Can you bleep that out? I don't want your mom to judge me. I'm a good place. I'm a good person, I
I'm
swear.
a good place.
I'm a good person.
So, we're about to leave the beach.
Goddamn life.
Hopefully I got it a little darker. Did you get a little darker?
No,
Probably.
I look the same color.
Sure you did, definitely.
Did I really? Yeah, girl. Yes. You about to be crucified.
Ooh, yes.
I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. Seems like everybody's breaking up and throwing their love away. But I know I got a good thing right here. That's why I say, hey, nobody gonna love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I must stick with you.
Pick up the backpack and take it. Oh.
Just don't want to
So, we left the beach and now we're going to Cream Street and we're going to get some ice cream.
I'm gonna do a video.
Oh, my bad. Shit.
I just want to eat it. I also want pasta for some odd reason. Where we going? Applebee's. Huh?
Applebee's. I am back home and I just got finished editing the pretty much majority of this vlog and I just realized like how long it's going to be because we are going in our competition. So I'm going to do a separate vlog, so it's going to be our competition vlog. So this is kind of like the preview to our competition vlog, kind of. So I'm just gonna end the night here and I'll see you guys in the next one.